Argue in under comment section that this seed is not a cassia latte seed. That is a idon. It's idon fruit. Although it may look like idon, it's not idon. You see now. Let me show you the leaf. You see the leaf. Ewé àsùnwọ̀n òyìnbó òun ni. So èso ẹ̀ nìyí, seed ẹ̀ nìyí, flower ẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀. This is the seed. So money seed, just get it like 10. Then you rinse it, ṣan dáadáa, if it's in a pot, put it in a pot, add water to it and cook for 20-30 minutes. Then you drink it early in the morning before you turn it. Ẹ mú empty stomach yín, half cup ní kẹ́ ẹ fún ọmọ mu. Ẹ̀yin náà àgbàlagbà ẹ mú. It's good for intestinal work. Ó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún aràn. Stop wasting money. Ẹ lọ ra oògùn àrùn eléyìí best remedy tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún aràn ni is working for intestinal worms. Aràn. So ó dẹ̀ tún ṣe for another thing. That one will be for another day. So help me share the video for that to benefit, please. Starting from 7 months upward, tá bá ní olóyún tó jẹ́ wípé ó ti pé 7 months, kàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lo egbò yìí. Egbò ọ̀gbọ̀lọ̀ la máa ń pè egbò ọ̀gbọ̀lọ̀. Tẹ́ bá rí àwọn eléwé ọmọ máa rí dáadáa egbò ọ̀gbọ̀lọ̀. So tá bá ti wá get ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká cut ẹ̀ sí kékèké. Ó lè jẹ́ tútù lẹ máa rí gbígbẹ leléyìí. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ dàmọ̀, tẹ́ bá ti tà fún yín, ẹ gé díẹ̀ sẹ́nu yín. Kẹ́ ẹ fi bí ẹni ń jẹ, ó máa yọ̀ lẹ́nu yín. So ó ti yé, ìyẹn lẹ máa fi mọ̀ pé òun ni. Òótọ́ ẹ gbígbẹ àbí tútù lẹ get èyíkéyìí ṣáàgì kékèké sínú ike. Bí ike 2 litre àbí 5 litre. Ẹ bomi sí kẹ́ ẹ soak ẹ̀ fún a day. Lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ kan yẹn ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mú. Ó dà o. Ó máa ń make delivery fast ni. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, help me share this video for that to benefit. Ẹ máa mú títí fi wọ 9 months ni. Títí fi wọ 9 months lẹ máa fi mú. Ẹ máa mú ní àárọ̀ àti ìrọ̀lẹ́. Ẹ máa wá àwọn kọ́ọ̀pù kékèké tí kò tóbi jù. Òun lẹ máa fi mú. Fún olóyún ni ẹ jẹ́ ká rán olóyún lọ́wọ́ láti fi share fídíò. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ rán olóyún lọ́wọ́. Kẹ́ share fídíò kan lè jẹ àǹfààní. Ọlọ́run bá mo fi bẹ̀ yín. Egbò yìí máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ gidi gan ni o. Gidi gan. Let's share the video for that to benefit, please. Ewé àbàmọ̀dá, this is the leaf. Ọmọ tó bá ń wúkọ́, àgbàlagbà tó ń wúkọ́, that the cough did not go. You know there are some stubborn cough. Even if you use remedies like this, it will not go. Go and use this leaf. Ẹ lo ewé àbàmọ̀dá. Get it plenty. Ẹ jẹ́ kó pọ̀ díẹ̀. Then ṣan dáadáa, you rinse it very well. Put it on fire like this. Ẹ fi ra iná. Ẹ lè fi sórí gas, ẹ kàn rọra fi ra iná. After ìwà ẹ̀kọ́ yọ kò dẹ́, ẹ fún omi ẹ̀. Don't have water to it o. So the reason why they fi ra iná ni wípé kó lè rọ̀ dáadáa so that ẹ máa lè rí omi extract lára ẹ̀. Ẹ máa fún you squeeze it very well. Then the water that come out from it, òun lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ti fi ra iná yẹn, omi tó bá jáde látara ẹ̀ lẹ́ need. Ẹ wá add just little salt, iyọ̀ díẹ̀ ẹ fi sí. After fi iyọ̀ díẹ̀ sí, look for cube sugar kóró ẹyẹ kan ṣo péré ẹ fi sí. Ẹ wá mix ẹ̀ papọ̀. Àgbàlagbà take 1 spoon morning, afternoon and night. Ọmọdé 1 tablespoon tọmọdé máa ń lò yẹn. Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan tọmọdé is okay. Ẹ̀yẹn baby spoon ó wà okay. So let's share this video for that to benefit, please. Lẹ́ni tó ń wúkọ́, if you have anyone that is coughing and the cough refuses to go, ikọ́ yẹn ó kò lọ o. You've tried so many medicines, lóríṣiríṣi àwọn oògùn kò lọ. Go and get miracle leaf. Ẹ lọ wá ewé miracle leaf, ewé àbàmọ̀dá. Ẹ fi raná, and you put it on fire for little time fún ìgbà díẹ̀. Then bring it out. Squeeze out the water. You don't need to add water o. That is why I said you put it on fire. So ẹ fi raná, ẹ wá yọ omi ẹ̀ jáde. Ẹ squeeze omi yẹn jáde. You see that water you get? Make sure you get the plenty miracle leaf so that you can get enough of water. Share omi there, squeeze out to yẹn. Add little salt to it. Iyọ̀ díẹ̀ fi sínú ẹ̀. Then you get 1 cube of sugar kóró. Put it inside. leave it for at least 5 minutes. Coffee dissolve dada. Then you take 1 spoon morning and night. 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the night. You can use this for kid. That baby spoon should be omode nike or for omode halfway. Then agbalagba you take normal spoon. It's good, it's seriously working. Even if you have a eco asthma, it's working. So just try, make sure you use it continuously for you to see better results. So let's share this video for us to benefit. Please, I'm begging you. Some people DM me about this thing. That is why I make video about it. Let's share for all that, please.